Unlock the secrets to earning at Farmers Insurance, where your dedication translates into tangible rewards. Welcome to a deep dive into how Farmers Insurance compensates its invaluable team members, whether you're an agent or an employee. Understanding this structure is key to your financial success within the company. At its core, your earnings at Farmers Insurance are typically a blend of factors designed to reward both consistent effort and outstanding performance. We'll break down the main components that contribute to your overall compensation package. First, let's talk about the foundation, your base salary. For many employee roles, this provides a stable, predictable income stream, ensuring a consistent financial footing. This is the guaranteed amount you receive for your regular work, forming the bedrock of your earnings. For our agents, and often for employees in sales-driven roles, commission plays a significant part. This is directly tied to your sales performance. Think of it as a direct reward for bringing new business to farmers. The more policies you write and the higher their value, the more commission you earn, creating a direct link between your results and your income. Beyond the regular salary and commissions, Farmers Insurance also incentivizes exceptional performance through bonuses. These can be awarded for achieving specific sales targets, contributing to team goals, or even for exceptional customer service. Bonuses are a fantastic way to boost your earnings and recognize significant achievements. But compensation isn't just about the money in your pocket. Farmers Insurance also offers a comprehensive benefits package. This typically includes health insurance, retirement plans like a 401k, paid time off, and potentially life insurance or disability coverage. These benefits add significant value to your overall compensation, contributing to your long-term financial well-being and overall job satisfaction. So, to recap, your total earnings at Farmers Insurance are a dynamic mix of a base salary for many roles, commissions earned through sales for our agents and sales staff, bonuses that reward top performance, and a robust benefits package that supports your health and future. Understanding these components empowers you to maximize your earning potential at Farmers Insurance. Consider all these elements when evaluating your career path and financial goals.